When cleaning someone's teeth, there are two basic types of instruments. One type is called a supragingival scaler, and the other type is a curette. Now, after using these on someone's teeth for a long time, they get dull. So then you have to sharpen them. I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen dental hygiene instruments. Now, what we have here is called a sidekick. And what you basically, what this is a stone that's pretty rough, actually. And when you turn it on, it moves back and forth. And when you move the blades across the stone, they get sharp. So, I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen a supragingival scaler and a subgingival curette. Okay. Scalers are pointed pretty much all the way around. So, this G, it stands for Gracie, which is what the curettes are. Those go below the gum line. And then the S and U stand for scaler and universal curette, but we're not going to worry about the universal curette, just the scaler. So we're going to put this scaler, we're going to put the back of it against the plate that says scaler, and we're going to turn on the sidekick. And we're just going to move the blade back and forth along the stone 2 or 3 times. Doesn't take much. Okay, and then we're going to turn it over and do the other side. And you don't want to use a lot of pressure against the stone because you'll wear out the motor eventually, and it's not going to work. Okay. Now, to test how sharp the instrument is, this is called a bite stick. What you want to do is take the instrument and put the side of it up against the bite stick just to see if it bites into the side of it. You can pretty much hear it, but it's just more of a feeling thing. Okay, so that side's sharp. Okay, and that side's sharp. So that's how you sharpen a scaler, which is on the crowns of the teeth. It helps remove the calculus on the crowns of the teeth. And this is our Gracie, our subgingival or below the gum line instrument. What you want to do is put the lower side of the Gracie on the G plate, turn it on, and do the same thing 2 to 3 times. Okay. Now, there's one thing you do with a curette that you don't do with a scaler. You have to round off the toe of the instrument because when you put it below the gum line, you don't want it to stab the person. So that's the difference between a curette and a scaler, is it can go below the gum line. So what you want to do is turn it on and put it through this little hole right here. And turn it 1, 2, 3 times. See? And then you just round off the toe. And then you take the bite stick and you make it bite. And we know it's sharp. And that's how you sharpen dental hygiene scalers and curettes.